It's beautiful.
Wow.
At the age of 32, I remember sitting there by myself because all my friends had to go to work and it was a beautiful sunny day. And I realized like, okay, I win. What do I do now? What do I
Wow.
do now? All my
Yeah.
friends had to go to work. The only people I got to hang out with was the weed dealer and the broke
Oh,
guitarists. And I was
oh,
like, oh,
gee.
this isn't cool. Like, I got to help my friends get free as well. So it became my
Yeah.
mission. And just so you know, the 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 last nearly 20 years, well, actually 15 years, has been one business with a few different like leading kind of things. I've been doing the same thing for 15 years, but I've been leading. It's always been about goals, money, habits, and basically the niche, the entrepreneur mindset. Like you can have a job, but have something that you really care about as well, which is exactly what you've just obviously been doing. So
Yeah.
those four things have always been what I've been helping people with. Um, but it all depends on the market. Like I used to run a lot of workshops. I couldn't do that during COVID. So I had to pivot towards personal finances, even though I'm not like a financial advisor or don't have a piece of paper. I've
Yeah.
been running this automated business, this finances for a long time. So yeah, that was my journey. Yeah, and it's been amazing. Like I've traveled a lot. I go away for, except this year, which is very unique. I've opted to stay in winter